Hi there. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to download Qwen AI model on Windows desktop. Qwen is a large language model um, developed by Alibaba Group. It can help users to answer questions, logical reasoning, help with programming tasks, generate images for you, video generation, etc. So you can try Qwen Chat by visiting the Qwen official website and click on Try Qwen Chat. This will open a new window for you. You can prompt directly uh, the uh, input box. So to so the latest Qwen AI series is like Qwen 3, and the model variant is like Qwen 3 Max. So this is the response from the tool. So to download the Qwen on Windows, click on the download button. Uh, Qwen supports both mobile and desktop operating system. So for Windows, click on the Windows button. This will download the installer for you onto your machine. So the file name would be like Qwen build number and 60 win64.exe. Once it got downloaded, you can install Qwen onto your machine. So let the installer download on the machine. So it also supports Android, iOS, and Mac operating system. You can try it on by clicking on the respective download buttons. So this will download the installer to the downloads folder, and once it got downloaded, go to the downloads folder to access the installer. Yeah. So to install, double click on the installer to launch the install wizard screen. Um, Go with the default settings. So if you want to install for a particular user, select only for me and then click on the next button. This is the default install folder. However, you can choose a custom location by clicking on the browse button and choose a respective install folder. But however, it's good to go with the defaults and click on the install button. This will install the tool. It will copy all the installation files onto your local machine. So to run Qwen, check the Run Qwen checkbox and click on the Finish button. This will launch the tool on Windows machine. So this is the Qwen interface, and you can select the AI model by clicking on the drop down here. Uh, These are the different AI variants that Qwen provides for you, and the latest version is the Qwen 3, and the max variant for is selected here, and you can enter the prompt here. A sample prompt. So Qwen AI model can help you with answering questions, programming tasks, um, generating images and videos, etc. It can also write stories and emails for you as well. Here is the response for the input prompt. Hope this clears how to install Qwen on Windows machine. Thank you.